that will keep your micro biome of your top layer of soil. You want to keep that healthy by putting, compost and wood chips and so on and stuff, but only on the top layer of the soil. You don't want to mix it into your your planting hole. So if by now you've decided that you want to grow a longan tree here in Zone 9B, which covers pretty much all of California, well, first off, make sure that your climate, your temperatures in the winter don't get below about 25 degrees on a regular basis. I noticed that longans pretty much start getting damaged right around there. Even the big ones, the tips will start to get damaged below 25 degrees. And if you're in the Bay Area and close to the water, you probably don't have to worry about that. I am about 80 miles to the east of San Francisco, where we get quite a bit of frost, and occasionally we see temperatures below freezing. But this one doesn't get any damage because I planted it in the microclimate. The area is close to the house and in a tucked away area in my garden. Now, assuming you want to get you a longan tree, you probably want to stick with Kahala longan. These are air layered. Seedlings generally take forever to produce fruit, and you never know whether or not they're going to produce good fruit. Where to get the longans? For the most part, you're probably going to have to buy an air layered name variety over the internet or drive to Southern California. I know Mimosa Nursery in LA area does have longans occasionally for sale. They are expensive. If you have a friend that has a longan tree, you can air layer it yourself or have him air layer it. I do have some videos on how to air layer. If you take a look in the video section, you may be able to find it. And I'll do updates on this longan tree. So there you have it. My name is Jeff. And if you like this channel, go ahead and hit the like, the subscribe button, and notification bell. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I do my best to get back to everybody's comments and questions. You have a wonderful day.